Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the concept of social Darwinism was popularized by option A, Karl Marx, option B, Charles Darwin, option C, Herbert Spencer, option D, Sigmund Freud. The correct answer is option C, Herbert Spencer. Spencer applied Darwin's theory of natural selection to social and economic issues, arguing that only the fittest survive in society. Next question is, the Pythagorean Theorem relates to option A, quantum mechanics, option B, geometry, option C, thermodynamics, option D, optics. The correct answer is option B, geometry. The Pythagorean Theorem is a fundamental principle in geometry, describing the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. Next question is, the longest river in the world is option A, Amazon River, option B, Nile River, option C, Yangtze River, option D, Mississippi River. The correct answer is option B, Nile River. The Nile River, flowing through northeastern Africa, is considered the longest river in the world. Next question is, who discovered the circulation of blood in the human body? Option A, Isaac Newton, option B, Galileo Galilei, option C, William Harvey, option D, Charles Darwin. The correct answer is option C, William Harvey. William Harvey's work in the 17th century demonstrated how blood circulates through the human body. Next question is, who was the leader of the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia? Option A, Leon Trotsky, option B, Joseph Stalin, option C, Vladimir Lenin, option D, Nicholas II. The correct answer is option C, Vladimir Lenin. Lenin led the Bolshevik Revolution of 1917, which established the Soviet Union. Next question is, the first law of thermodynamics is also known as option A, law of entropy, option B, law of energy conservation, option C, law of energy transformation, option D, law of heat. The correct answer is option B, law of energy conservation. This law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. Next question is, the black hole concept was first introduced by option A, Albert Einstein, option B, Stephen Hawking, option C, Karl Schwarzschild, option D, Isaac Newton. The correct answer is option C, Karl Schwarzschild. Schwarzschild first predicted the existence of black holes in 1916 based on Einstein's theory of general relativity. Next question is, the process by which plants make their own food is called option A, respiration, option B, photosynthesis, option C, fermentation, option D, germination. The correct answer is option B, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce glucose and oxygen. Next question is, the Battle of Stalingrad was fought during option A, World War I, option B, the Cold War, option C, World War II, option D, the Napoleonic Wars. The correct answer is option C, World War II. The Battle of Stalingrad, 1942 to 1943, was a turning point in World War II, marking the first major defeat of Nazi Germany. Last question is, which event led to the widespread use of the term Balkanization? Option A, fall of the Soviet Union, option B, World War I, option C, the breakup of Yugoslavia, option D, the Ottoman Empire's decline. The correct answer is option C, the breakup of Yugoslavia. The term Balkanization refers to the fragmentation of a region into smaller, often hostile units. It gained widespread usage after the fragmentation of Yugoslavia in the 1990s. Now it's time for practice question. The Gobi Desert is located in which two countries? Option A, China and Mongolia. Option B, India and China. Option C, Mongolia and Russia. Or option D, China and Kazakhstan. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.